Hi guys, today in this video, we're going to see how to create our own QR code using Python. So first of all, open command prompt and install the Python library QR code. Once it's installed, come back to the Python file and import the library. Once imported, define a variable, for example, img, and type the following code to create the QR code. Inside the double quotes, we can paste the link, uh, which will be open once the QR code is scanned. Now to save this, type img.save the file name and the type over here. Let's run it. So now our QR code has been generated. We can search it over here. Where is it? QR code 1.png. There you go. So this is the generated QR code. So the link is this. So you can use this to prank your friends or make a QR code for your own website or your videos, anything. Thanks for watching.